Hello friends. Welcome back to our channel, where money talks and wisdom listens. Today, we're going to uncover a golden treasure, the kind of secret sauce that will spice up your trading game and make your technical analysis shine brighter than the North Star. If you've ever been swamped by false signals, fret no more, we've got your back. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more insightful content. In this video, we'll be exploring the most accurate, the most reliable, and dare I say it, the holy grail of indicators, ones that deliver zero false signals. Sound too good to be true? Stick with us to uncover these market-crushing, profit-boosting tools. We'll demystify these indicators, slice through the noise, and simplify them for your trading pleasure. And the best part? They are incredibly easy to follow, no need for a Wall Street degree or a crystal ball. Ready to crank your trading strategies up a notch? Let's dive right in. But before that, if you're looking to automate any trading strategy into a bot that will be earning you passive income while you're asleep, Pionex is here to help. Pionex is a groundbreaking cryptocurrency exchange offering not only 16 distinctive, built-in trading bots at absolutely no additional charge, but also introducing the first of its kind AI bot, Pionex GPT. This innovative AI bot creates automated trading strategies in PineScript, transforming your trading experience by generating tailored, high-performance trading strategies. With Pionex GPT, you can automate your trading strategy to its full potential, outperforming manual approaches and ensuring you are always one step ahead of the competition. You can automate pretty much any trading strategy you find on our channel, even the one we're about to teach you in this video. On Pionex GPT Marketplace you can find dozens of free trading bots that generate high profits short and long term. You can make passive income just by copying these signals. The risk is minimal. Join the Pionex family today and take advantage of a variety of exciting bonuses. Deposit 500 USDT or more to earn up to a 50 USDT reward. Start earning from the get-go and make your crypto trading journey even more profitable. Simply click the link in the description and sign up for Pionex today. Let's return to our trading indicators. First, I'm going to open the Bitcoin price chart on the 5-minute time frame. This strategy can be profitable on all time frames. For the first indicator, I'm going to add the TraderXO Macro Trend Scanner by BTC Charlie. This is a powerful indicator used by newbies and pro traders. The tool is based on 3 moving averages, the fast EMA, the slow EMA, and the consolidated EMA. Based on these moving averages, the indicator produces buy and sell signals. When the fast EMA crosses above the slow EMA, the indicator prints a bull label. This is a recommendation to purchase the security at this price. All these pips could have been made if you bought Bitcoin earlier today during the buy signal from TraderXO. Conversely, when the fast EMA crosses the slow EMA to the downside, this is an alert to sell the stock or exit a long trade. For example, here the indicator issued a sell signal. If we had entered the market right here, we would have made 200 pips profit. In the following example, a buy signal failed, and the market reversed. But, you would have closed the position at this sell signal with a small loss instead of losing more money. This indicator keeps your losses low and your profits big. You can use this indicator alone and still profit. However, we recommend adding a couple of more tools to the chart to cancel all fake signals in a range market. We found a really good indicator that reads the chart and displays low interest areas, or no trade zones. This indicator is called Consolidation Zones, Live, by Lonesome the Blue. Once installed on the chart, open the settings and change the minimal consolidation length to 2. Make the zones gray and hide the lines. The idea is simple, we cancels any signals given by the TraderXO indicator if they appear in the range zones. Now look at the latest signals. The consolidation zone indicator eliminated these potential losing trades. The alerts given outside the range always have higher accuracy. This is explained by price action rules. If the trend has been established, the likelihood of continued price movement in the same direction is very high. Consolidation zones have cancelled this fake buy signal as well. But this is not it. The strategy lacks one more crucial component: key levels of support and resistance. If you ignore them and only use buy and sell alerts, the strategy won't be that accurate. We recommend either drawing the support and resistance levels manually or adding an indicator that will do all the work for you. The indicator we're talking about is called Volume-Based Support and Resistance Zones by TOMIF 1001. Add it to the chart and access its settings to configure some parameters. First of all, we'll hide the lines. Next, we'll go to the inputs and disable all the zones except the 4-hour ones. Volume-Based Support and Resistance Zones Indicator is a type of technical analysis tool that takes into account both price and trading volume to identify significant levels in the market where the price may have a reaction. These are known as support and resistance levels. The basic idea is that the price of a security will often move towards these levels and then bounce off of them. Support levels represent prices where buyers have previously entered the market in enough quantity to halt an upward movement, while resistance levels signify prices at which sellers have been sufficient to halt a downward price movement. In the volume-based support and resistance zones indicator, the volume is taken into consideration to strengthen the reliability of these levels. It operates on the premise that levels where a large amount of volume has been traded in the past will likely be significant in the future. This is because these levels have shown to be prices where a lot of traders have previously initiated or closed trades. So, when the price approaches a volume-based support level, it indicates a price level where there are potentially a lot of buyers willing to enter the market, which could lead to an upward bounce in price. Conversely, when the price approaches a volume-based resistance level, it represents a price level where there are potentially many sellers willing to enter the market, which could lead to a downward bounce in price. The 4-hour zones we enabled on the chart are very strong. This is where money is typically sitting. When the market makes a strong rejection off them, it is a signal of a price reversal. With this strategy, we buy when each of the following conditions is met. First, the price bounces off the support zone. Second, Trader XO gives a buy alert. Third, the alert is given outside the consolidation zone. That's it. Open a long trade and close the position when the price reaches lower timeframe resistance. Sell the security when A, the price rejects the resistance zone, B, Trader XO gives a sell alert, C, the signal is given outside the consolidation zone. Open a sell position and target the fixed risk-reward ratio or the support zone. Traders, we hope you like this trading strategy. As we mentioned earlier, you can automate it with PineXGPT. By the way, we have created a high win rate strategy in PineScript for Bitcoin. If you haven't watched that video yet, check it out. It's this one right here.